welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Shaleen. Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari inaugurated the second four-lane section of the New Zuari Bridge on Friday. However, according to the Public Works Department, the fully completed second four-lane section will be accessible to traffic starting December 24th at 10 a.m. All 8 lanes of the new bridge will be in use starting Sunday morning. Deputy Collector of Mormugao Bhagwant Karmali has submitted an extensive 19-page report to the Vasco Police. The report gathers statements from multiple individuals connected to the November 18th blast incident in New Wade, Vasco. Initially thought to stem from a domestic cylinder leakage, the tragic incident resulted in the loss of Shivani Rajwat and her mother, Jaydevi. The comprehensive report includes accounts from Shivani's brother, husband, in-laws and 2 residents of the building, including the flat owner. Notably, the Deputy Collector's report highlights the family's concerns, pointing to suspicions of foul play. The report directs the police to conduct a thorough investigation aligned with these apprehensions.
The Deputy Collector of Mormugao, Bhagwant Karmali, has submitted an extensive 19-page report to the Vasco Police. The report gathers statements from multiple individuals connected to the November 18 blast incident in New Wade, Vasco. Initially thought to stem from a domestic cylinder leakage, the tragic incident resulted in the loss of Shivani Rajwat and her mother Jaydevi. The comprehensive report includes accounts from Shivani's brother, husband, in-laws and 2 residents of the building, including the flat owner. Notably, the Deputy Collector's report highlights the family's concerns, pointing to suspicions of foul play surrounding the tragic incident. The report directs the police to conduct a thorough investigation aligned with these apprehensions. Kiran Bolkar for Herald TV.
Goa Cybercrime Police issued a stark warning about the rising cybercrime cases and urged people to stay vigilant online. PI Satish from the Cybercrime Branch in Rabandar highlighted the diverse cyber threats people face. He cautioned against sharing personal information like bank pins and advised against shopping on suspicious social media advertised sites. Additionally, he encouraged monitoring family members' online activities and emphasized that banks never ask for sensitive details over calls or messages.
Goa's Cybercrime Police issued a stark warning about the rising cybercrime cases and urged people to stay vigilant. PI Satish from the Cybercrime Branch in Rabandar highlighted the diverse cyber threats people face. He cautioned against sharing personal information like bank pins and advised people against shopping on suspicious social media advertised sites. Additionally, he encouraged monitoring family members' online activities and emphasized that banks never ask for sensitive details over calls or messages.
Cybercrime वाढला म्हणजे everybody आता we are connected to internet. So internet जितलं benefit आहा तितलं नुकसान आहे if you are not cautious. So in a recent case आमच्या एक केसीन one senior citizen is cheated. त्याने एक call येलो की they are calling from FedEx and his parcel is intercepted at Mumbai airport by Mumbai crime branch. त्याच्या parcel there is some drugs found. त्याका settle करपा लागून they went on calling him and he was in that frame of mind to and he went on talking to them. So एक 2 दिवस त्यांच्याकडे उलयलो होतं आणि he parted with 1.18 crore rupees. So in असले financial frauds आणाले they will say that you have won a lottery आणि लॉटरीचेर lottery release करपा लागून they will be wanting some amount, you have to transfer that amount. ते ट्रान्सफर करपा लायता आणि हळूहळू थोडे पैसे घालपाक लायता. तर इट इज सिंपल एक गजाल आहा की आपूण पार्सल जर इंटरसेप्ट झाला जाल्यार वेदर आय हॅव सेंड एनी पार्सल ऑर वेदर एनी पार्सल हॅज टू कम टू मी. जर धाडूकूच ना आणि येवपाचें नासल्यार खंयचे पार्सल इंटरसेप्ट जातले. दुसरे लॉटरी जर आपण काडूकूच ना जाल्यार खंयची लॉटरी लागतली आपणाक. सो दीज आर सिंपल थिंग्स वी हॅव टू बी कॉशियस. इट इज लायक अ वेब, यू आर एक्सपोज टू होल वर्ल्ड. सो बरे गजाली आमकां आहा तशे देर आर सायबर क्रिमिनल सिटींग देर टू टार्गेट सर्टन पीपल. ते टार्गेट करपाक रावला आणि इफ वी आर नॉट कॉशियस आमकां तेजो नुकसान जावंक शकता. सो आपूण बाबा आपलो डेटा इफ यू आर शेअरिंग अवर डेटा बर्थ डेट आणि कितें हे गजाली आपण शेअर करता कोणा आपले फोटोज शेअर करता जाल्यार आपले फायनान्शियल ट्रान्झॅक्शन आसात ते कोणा कडेन शेअर करता अशे गजाल आपण वी हॅव टू बी कॉशियस. आमचे कॉशनूच आमकां सेव्ह करूं शकता. अशा टायमार तेंचे जे दोज हू आर देर चिल्ड्रन जे आसा तेंचे जे भुरगीं आहा तेंच्यांनी दे हॅव टू कीप वॉच ऑन देअर फायनान्शियल ट्रान्झॅक्शन, इंटरनेट ट्रान्झॅक्शन कितें चालू आसा कंटिन्युअसली तेंचे कम्युनिकेशनान रावता. तशेंच जाणट्या बरोबर मायनर चिल्ड्रन हू आर युजींग आता कोविड टायमार सगळ्यांक फोन दिवपाक आमी स्टार्ट केल्ले. त्या फोनान जाल्यार शिकपाक लागली भुरगीं किंवा तेन्ना स्कूल नासलें, पण ते आतां एक हॅबीट जाला की पीपल ऑल द किड्स आर विथ द मोबायल फोन. 7-8 सगळ्या भुरग्यां कडेन फोन आसा. त्या फोनान पासून ते लोक कितें पळयता, वॉट सायड्स दे आर सीइंग, तेजेर आमच्या पेरंट्सांचो कंट्रोल आसपाक जाय. दुसरे बँके भाशेन येयले म्हणून ती बँकेची मेसेज आहा ही कन्फर्म जाता. आनी बँक केन्नाच तुमच्या कडल्यान तुमचो डेटा पासवर्ड मागना. आनी बँक असल्या हेतून पडना, कित्याक बँक जेन्ना वन्स दे शेअर यू विथ दॅर सील्ड एनवलपान तुमकां दिता, जाल्यार बँकेन आपूण जेन्ना तुमकां तुमचो पासवर्ड दिता तेज्या उपरांत ते परत तुमच्या कडल्यान कांय इन्फॉर्मेशन मागना. And if they ask, they will want you to come to the bank and give that information.
Sagun Kaude for Herald TV.
The Kalangut police successfully captured 4 individuals involved in a chain snatching case targeting a tourist on a leisure trip to Goa. The incident occurred on December 21st, 2023 during the early hours at Kalangut, where Santosha H.A., a tourist from Karnataka, was robbed. According to the complaint lodged by Mr. Santosha H.A., the perpetrators first stole his mobile phone and cash amounting to Rs 19,000 before forcibly taking away 2 gold chains valued at approximately Rs 1,95,000.
The Kalangut police quickly responded, forming teams led by PSI Akshay Parsekar to investigate the incident. Through diligent efforts and intelligence gathering, the police identified and located the suspects. Moraslin Mola, Raju Mola, Akhtar Ali and Raikulf Mondal, all hailing from Dakshin Dinajpur, West Bengal. Upon personal search, the police found 2 broken gold chains in possession of the accused. Subsequently, the 4 were taken into custody and brought to the Kalangut police station, where they confessed to their active involvement in the crime. The recovered gold chains, valued at around Rs 1,60,000, were seized under proper documentation, while efforts continue to recover the remaining stolen item. The Kalangut police registered a case under pertinent sections of the IPC in response to the complaint. The arrested persons are set to appear before the GMFC Mapsa court to obtain police remand for further interrogation. The investigation is ongoing, led by Head Constable Prashant Chopetkar under the supervision of the PI of Kalangut and STPO Porvaram. Prakash Karekar for Herald TV.
As Goa braces for another bustling holiday season, concerns loom large over the persistent traffic mismanagement plaguing the entire state between December 25th and 31st. Year after year, Goa fails to get its traffic management right in the peak times. In this edition of Street Voices, Team Herald spoke to several people to know their opinion on whether this is a government machinery failure.
We leave no stone unturned to get to the concerns of the people and the issues they want to raise. It's your voice on your platform, Herald TV.
तुम्ही आता ते मेर्शी जंक्शन पळयलें न्हू, ते मेर्शी जंक्शनाक खूब त्रास जाता, खूब म्हणल्यार खूब त्रास जाता. कित्याक तेंचे एक तर रिडींग आसा पळय ते ट्रॅफिकाचे ते सारके जायना. आनी ते कितें जाता, सेकेंड थिंग म्हणल्यार पुलीस आसता पळय, पुलीस कितें करता, ट्रॅफिक सायड करपाक रावना. पुलीस मरे फक्त चलान मारपाक रावता. तेंचें काम कितें, ट्रॅफिक मातसो एक सायडीक करूंक जाय आनी गाडी धाडूंक जाय. आनी तितून कितें कोण पुलीस ना म्हणून कितें लोक कितें वयता, घाईन मरे घालता आनी ते मरे थंय ब्लॉक करता. आतां आमी तुमकां सांगपाची गजाल मरे, आतां पर्री ब्रीज पळय, पर्री ब्रीज तुमी पळया, केन्नाच पळया तुमी, ते लेफ्ट सायड पर्री वयता, म्हापसा वयता तेन्ना पुलीस रावता चलान मारपाक. आनी येता ते ब्रिजान येता आनी मरे कोण रावना, खंय रावता ते खबर आहा तुका? मेर्शे सकयल पावल्या काय ते पुलीस रावता. म्हाका सांग पळया, तूं थंय तुमी कित्याक रावल्या? तुमी पयलीं रावूंक जाय आनी पुलिसान मरे एका सांगूंक जाय, बायकीक मरे तुमी हांगासून वचा आनी कारेक हांगासून, तें सांगना, तांकां चलान काडूंक जाय.
व्हडलो ट्राफीक जाम जालो ना, पोरू पुलीस बंदोबस्त बरो आशिल्लो, सुरळीत आशिल्लें, पोरू कांय व्हडलो त्रास जालो ना. आतां ह्या वर्सा कितें जालां, चड रस्ते खणल्यात, परवरच्यान सगळी कालांगूट मेरेन रस्ते खणल्यात, वेऱ्यां सगून कांदोळे मेरेन रस्ते खणल्यात. आनी वन वे तुका गाडी दोन गाडी काडपाक चान्सच मेळना. तेंच्यांनी हें पयलीं मॅनेज करपाक जाय, मागीर तेंच्यांनी क्रिसमसा पयलीं करपाक जाय तेंच्यांनी सगळें. आतां क्रिसमसा जर ट्राफीक सगळे आतां ट्युरिस्ट लोक येतले, 31 जानेवारी 2 मेरेन फूल ट्राफीक ट्युरिस्ट आसतले. तेजे पयलीं हेंच्यांनी हें करपाक जाय आसलें. हेजें मॅनेजमेंट सारकी ना गव्हर्मेंटाचें.
पूण जाता म्हटल्यार ट्राफीक वाडटा म्हणजे आतां प्रत्येकाच्या घरान 4-4 गाडयो, बायकर 2-2, 3-3 आसता. म्हणजे प्रत्येक मनीस आयज बायक घेवन किंवा कार घेवन भायर सरता. आनी दुसरें कारण म्हटल्यार हे रस्ते सारके ना. आदीं जे रस्ते जाताले, पोर्तुगीज टायमाचे रस्ते 40-40 वर्सां रस्ते बरे येताले. आनी आतां जे हेंचें काम केल्लें आहा की 6 म्हयन्यात रस्तो कसो वयता. हितून कोण फेल आहा तो कळना. पयलींच्या रस्ते जर हे प्रॉडक्ट बरो आसतालो, आतां जर आमी हायफाय हेका पावल्ली आहा म्हणटा जाल्यार हे सगळे खराब कशें मटिरियल कशें खराब यूज करता. म्हणजे हेजोच अर्थ कळटा, जर 10 करोड जर रस्त्याक पास जाता, 5 करोड पयलींच वयता हें सारकें सिद्ध जाता. हेजेरूच कळटा की जो हेजो हे आसता पळय इंजिनियर आसता तेजे कडेन पयशे पावना, म्हणून ते एक्शन परत इंजिनियराचेर कित्याक घेयना. जर रस्तो 6 म्हयन्यांनी वयता, तो इंजिनियर जर हो आमचो जो मिनिस्टर आसता तो एक्शन तेजेर कित्याक घेयना. हेजे अर्थच कळटा की पयशे वाटले वयता, म्हणून आमकां जनतेक रस्तो बरो मेळना.
आता जे सरकार चल्ला, BJP सरकार म्हणटा की आपण इतले बरे रस्ते केले, इतले बरे आपण डेव्हलपमेंट केले, जाल्यार अजूनय हे लोकांक म्हणटा ते त्रास कित्याक आसा. आयज जवळ जवळ 3 टेन्युअर जाले BJPचे सरकार चल्ला, जाल्यार 3 टेन्युअरान आयज पर्यंत हो ट्रॅफिक जॅमाचो प्रश्न, सादो प्रश्न हो सुद्दां सरकार जर सोडूंक शकना जाल्यार आयज सरकार करता कितें.
पळय, ट्रॅफिक पुलीस नॉर्मली आमी पयलीं कशें पळयताले, ट्रॅफिक पुलीस हे ट्रॅफिक कंट्रोल करपाक आसताले. हालींच्या तेंपार तुमी पळयला खंय ते ट्रॅफिक कंट्रोल करपाक खंय ट्रॅफिक पुलीस दिसना. आमी पळयताले पयलीं विमानतळ ताज जंक्शन जावं मागीर पणजे बस स्टँडा कडेन अशे 2-4 पॉयंट आसले, सदांच ट्रॅफिक पुलीस थंय आसताले ट्रॅफिक कंट्रोल करपाक. पूण तुमी हालींच्या तेंपाक आमी पळयलां की खंयच हे ट्रॅफिक पुलीस ट्रॅफिक कंट्रोल करपाक आसना. सिग्नलूय जे इन्स्टॉल केले ते सिग्नल खूब कडेन चलना. हे ट्रॅफिक सिग्नल पयलीं घातलेले ज्या जाग्यार खरेंच पुलिसाची गरज ना म्हणून ते चडशे सगळे बंद जाले. आनी हे आतां क्रिसमस न्यू इयर तेतून स्मार्ट सिटीचें हे बेजबाबदारपणे काम चालू आसा. म्हणजे खंयच्या खंय फोडून खंय रस्ते लोकांक आतां खंय नो एंट्री, खंयच्यान लोकांनी येवपाचें, खंयच्यान लोकांनी परत वचपाचें हें लोकांकूय कळना. आनी हितून आनीक चड कंजेशन जाला. लोक भायले ट्युरिस्ट येता, लोकली आमचे आतां पर्चेसिंगाक भायर सरल्या, जावं न्यू इयराक लोक भायर सरपाचे आसा. आनी असल्यांनी खरेंच गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन मागता की ट्रॅफिक पुलिसांनी आपली ड्युटी जी पयलींची ते ड्युटी तेंची आसली खरेंच ट्रॅफिक कंट्रोल करपाची, हेच ज्या ज्या नाक्यार खरेंच गरज आसा ते खरेंच पुलीस हे दवरूंक जाय. ट्रॅफिक पुलीस तेंच्यांनी हे करूंक जाय.
Continuing the journey with Goa's heritage, presenting the 4th Parkone with Australia-based Mr. Salus Correa. Mr. Salus Correa is the leading light of e-magazine Global Goan, the magazine for Goans by Goans across the world. Mr. Salus Correa is originally from Santa Cruz, Goa, but now settled in Melbourne, Australia. The e-magazine editorial board, headed by Mr. Salus Correa, is always working out ways and means of propagating the cause of Goenka porn in Australia and across other Goan diaspora. Mr. Salus Correa appeals through his Parkone to every global Goan to support the cause of Chikali Bio Crusaders, presenting 4th Parkone.
नमस्कार गोंयकारा, म्हजें नांव सालस कोर्रेया आनी हांव गांवांत कालाफुर्सो सांता क्रूज. पूण आतां कितलींच वर्सां जालीं हांव मेलबर्न ऑस्ट्रेलिया रावता. चिकाली बाय क्रुसेडर्स हांकां हांव पयले सुवातेर देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. म्हाका हो सहयोग दिलो म्हूण तुमचे मदें आयजचे पारखणे दवरपाक. आमी थोडे गोंयकार आमचे गोंयकारपण राखपाक जायती तजवीज करतात, जायते कार्यक्रम करतात. मेलबर्नांत आमी दर सुमाराक सुशेगाद दानपार म्हूण कोंकणी भाशेन खबर मांडटा व्हिडिओ फॉर्मेटीन. त्या भायर दर म्हयने आमी द ग्लोबल गोवन मॅगझीन भायर काडटा. आमी सगल्यांनी मेळून आमचें गोंयकारपण राखून दवरता. पारखणे वो कोंकणी रिडल्स ही आमची गोंयांत जायतीं आसतालीं आमच्या वडिलां सांगाता. पूण आयज कोणाक तांचे बाबतीन वळख ना. गोंयकार आमी ही पारखणी विसरल्यात. पूण चिकाली बाय क्रुसेडर्स आनी बाब सिरियलान ती परत आमचे मदें जिवी केल्यात. आनी चिकाली बाय क्रुसेडर्स कोंकणी पारखणेचे दायज संवसारभर परजोडूंक प्रयत्न करतात म्हूण वालोर तांकां. आमी सगळे संवसाराच्या गोंयकारांनी तांकां मदत करूंक जाय ही पारखणी जाता तितल्या गोंयकारां मदें संवसारभर पावोवंक. हांव खास करून तुमचे लागीं विनंती करता की हें म्हजें पारखणें तशेंच हे स्पर्धेंतले सगळीं दुसरी पारखणी सगळ्या लोकांक वॉट्सॅप, फेसबूक आनी ट्विटराचेर शेअर करात, फामाद करात. सगळे गोंयकारांक ह्या स्पर्धेंत भाग घेवन दी. कमान आतां चॅलेंज तुमकां आयच्या दिसाचें पारखणें अशें. 6 आसा ते 3 जाता, 4 आसा ते 2 जाता, 2 आसा ते 1 जाता. हें कितें तें सांग, कितें तें सांगशी तुमी? आनी एकदां रिपीट करता. 6 आसा ते 3 जाता, 4 आसा ते 2 जाता आनी 2 आसा ते 1 जाता. हांव कितें तें सांग.
The Goa State Pollution Control Board on Thursday sealed 11 dance bars and pubs in Kalangut that were operating without the necessary consent from the GSPCB. A team comprising of GSPCB officials, the MAPSA Deputy Collector, Bardes Mamledar and the Kalangut Police sealed 11 out of 13 identified establishments in the coastal belt that were found to be functioning without the mandated operational consent. Shockingly, only 2 among the identified dance bars had complied with the GSPCB regulations by obtaining the required consent to operate. Chief Minister Pramod Sawant issued a stern warning asserting that if agents lead tourists to dance bars with the intention of exploiting them, then the establishment's license will be revoked.
प्रॉस्टिट्युशनच्या केसीच्या बाबतीतूय आमचे पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट अरेस्ट करीत आसा आनी आमी त्या खातीर सांगला आमी खंयच्याच बाबतीत ना ड्रग्स ना प्रॉस्टिट्युशन टॉलरेट करचें ना आमचे पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट. आनी अशा पद्दतीची डान्स बार किंवा प्रॉस्टिट्युशन चलोवपी जर आमकां मेळत जाल्यार सीज करतले आनी एकदां बंद जायत जाल्यार तेची परत 6 म्हयने ओपन जावची ना. परत सांगता हांव म्हणजे खंयच्याय ट्युरिस्टाक व्हरून जर एखाद्या डान्स बार म्हणून जर ताका लुटलो म्हणून आमकां कळत जाल्यार पर्टिक्युलरली तांची सगळीं लायसनां जी आसा पळय न्ही सीज करतले. आनी आमकां ऑलरेडी म्हळ्यार डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन एक्सायज लायसन आसतलें, बाकी ट्युरिजमचें परमिशन आसतलें, सगळीं लायसनां बंद करतले. ताका आपलो धंदो 6 म्हयन्याक बंद करून उडोवचो पडटलो. त्या खातीर जे आपली रेस्टॉरंट बार्स हें कितें जे चलयता तांच्यांनी हे जे कोण थंयसर भोंवतात पळय न्ही एजंट बिजंट कोण ते दलाल जे भोंवता ट्युरिस्टांक हाडून लुटपाचो जो प्रकार करतात, चुकून सुद्दां जरी आमकां कळ्ळें अमक्या रेस्टॉरंटान जाता आनी ट्युरिस्टाक व्हेल्लो सुद्दां म्हणून ट्युरिस्टान जर कंप्लेन दिली जाल्यार त्या हेका सोदपाचो सोडून दी कोणी व्हेल्लो ताका, ताजें रेस्टॉरंट बंद जातलें ह्या बाबतींत. कारण तेणी त्या रेस्टॉरंटान जर पर्टिक्युलरी ताका येला आसत जाल्यार तो तेज्या बरोबर आसा गृहीत धरलें वयतलो.
After a mere 2 years since its inauguration, the pavement tiles along Miramar's beachfront promenade have deteriorated significantly, presenting serious hazards to both tourists and local beachgoers. The primary reason behind this extensive damage appears to be the constant vehicular movement on the beach, causing the tiles to break and creating unsafe conditions for visitors.
Miramar's once renovated beachfront promenade, inaugurated just 2 years ago with much fanfare and promises of enhanced aesthetics and safety, now stands in disrepair. The pavement tiles, a centerpiece of the beautification project, lie shattered, posing substantial risks to both tourists and locals frequenting the area. The primary culprit behind this dilapidation, according to reports, is vehicular movement along the beach. However, the rapid deterioration of the pavement tiles has raised concerns over the quality of materials used and the inability to withstand vehicular traffic. The responsibility for maintaining this infrastructure was subsequently transferred to the Corporation of the City of Panji after the project's completion. Reports suggest that the constant movement of vehicles along the beach, a contentious issue since the promenade's makeover, has taken a toll on the infrastructure, rendering the once sturdy tiles fragmented and hazardous. Upendra Naik for Herald TV.
With regards to the inspection taken place by the Goa Human Rights Commission, as of date, no action has been taken on the thick black sludge discharged in the paddy fields. It was informed that this is sewage water from the houses a building present across the road.
So the agriculture department did a survey. They kind of did an inspection, I would say, and they came out with a report. And in that report, they very clearly said that there is a discharge, and they pointed out. I can show you also from their report. They have pointed out that there was a thick black liquid flowing into the fields. It was informed that this is sewage water from the houses, buildings present across the road, because there's no other explanation to it. Because it continues, the sewage discharges also continue. That is why that is the way it is.
Yes, the main problem is that there was a blockade in the natural flow of the creek. That is a very old problem from the culvert at the mouth of the creek where the Inox is opposite old GMC. Now additionally what they have done, they have built this new bridge, and the footing of the bridge is inside the water. It is inside the water. Huge concrete blocks have been put. This is like choking somebody and making them suffocated to die. So already when the mouth is narrowing down, there is a faulty culvert, there is a sand bank which has formed, and that you are adding concrete. So that is in complete violation of every environmental regulation, and it is violation of the CRZ regulations. So we have made a complaint against it, and if we do this kind of work only to beautify the city without looking at the basic problem, the core problem, we will keep having a stinking city and not a smart city. So it will become, for tourists it is good. The solution is that we need a government which cares for the people and not for just for pleasing the tourists or getting some mega contracts for their contractor friends. The solution is a very long term solution. We thought that the smart city and the funds that will bring in will really solve the Santines Creek situation. But what you have seen, crores of rupees have been spent, the creek has been narrowed, its mouth has been constricted, there is concretization of its banks. So it is killing from making a natural body into a nala, and a nala, it is from there it has become a sewer. So we are going to, instead of having a beautiful creek, we are having a sewer in the middle of the city. This can only be solved if there is a long term vision, proper planning.
Carmel Sports Club and Kurtori Gymkhana settled for a 1-1 draw in an engaging encounter. The match showcased a balanced display of skill and determination from both sides, culminating in a hard-fought draw between Carmel Sports Club and Kurtori Gymkhana at the Navalim Church Ground.
Balanced battle ends in a 1-1 draw between Carmel Sports Club and Kurtori Gymkhana. The initial session between Carmel Sports Club and Kurtori Gymkhana concluded in a goalless stalemate, setting the stage for an eventful second half. It was during this period that both teams found the back of the net. Carmel SC seized the lead in the 40th minute, courtesy of Sandra Costa's well-timed goal. However, Kurtori Gymkhana displayed resilience, managing to level the score in the dying moments of the game with Irfan Said, netting an equalizer in the 89th minute. Inasa Narona for Herald TV.
The community spirit thrived as Nagar Verna Castle United organized a delightful carol singing program, uniting people of all ages and celebrating the joyous Christmas season. Participants encompassing the young and the elderly came together to melodiously render an array of cherished Christmas carols during this event. Adding to the festive ambience, a live crib was also featured, enhancing the celebratory atmosphere.
Because of Christmas Day, trumpets sound and angels sing. Listen to what they say, that man will live forever.
That's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching Herald TV News. For more news and alerts, please follow us on Heraldo on Facebook and Twitter. Take care and goodbye.